Hello stars, welcome to a new video. In this video I will provide a comprehensive explanation on how to encrypt signals. One of the channel members asked how to encrypt signals. Although this has been done in previous videos, it hasn't received much attention. Watch the videos completely. If you want to do this using NRF24 module, it's very easy because the commands in its library make it easy. This is it. Using this command, you can coordinate an address between the sender and receiver. Alright, now how can you consider an address for ASK modules? Honestly, I did this for the restaurant pager video. What? Watch the videos completely. Not having an address in that project made it announce a number by accident. Encrypting signals is generally done for two purposes. 1. Prevention of disruption. 2. Prevention of hacking. In the restaurant pager project, the maximum distance between the sender and the receiver was 100 meters, which was great. But the problem appears when another device sends information within a range of less than 100 meters. These affect each other, which is called interference. Alright, what did I do? I converted the main information to a string and attached an address before it. The receiver receives this number and using the substring command, separates its first 3 digits, which is the same address that the sender and receiver agreed on. If the obtained number is equal to the address of that device, we can define in the program what it should do for us. Otherwise, nothing. The instructions on how to use the substring command are available on the Arduino website, and I will put the link in the description. But to prevent hacking, you must implement an algorithm that changes this address continuously, and the receiver is aware of these changes, like a car remote control. Thank you for being with me so far. We didn't have anything to test in this video. Please like this video right now and leave your comments. Please participate in the surveys and posts that I upload in this channel. I don't know why I don't get feedback from you. Important news. Next month I will build an RCL plane because it was your request. And that's it. Thank you for your support. I will be back soon. Goodbye.